Is a student-led prayer before a football game at a public high school constitutional? By Samantha Morrow. The First Amendment of the Constitution tells us, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. There have been many court cases over the years that have addressed the issue of prayer at school and at school activities. However, the courts seeing these cases have had mixed rulings. In the court case of Santa Fe Independent School District versus Doe, the court ruled that game prayer were a form of public speech, and since these prayers were taking place at a government-funded school, it was perceived as government endorsement and violated the Establishment Clause in the First Amendment. But, in the court case of Jones versus Clear Creek Independent School District, the court ruled that as long as the prayer wasn't mandated, was given by a volunteer, and the content contained no proselyting and non-sectarian content, then it was fine at a school graduation. They said a majority of students can do what the state can't, and that this wasn't in violation of the Constitution. Today's courts have established that students can participate in individual prayer as long as it is not coercive or disruptive. School officials cannot promote or encourage students' personal prayer. No school employees can supervise or participate in prayers while at school. It is unconstitutional for a coach to participate, lead, or initiate a team prayer. Schools can't permit student-led prayers before football games. As long as it is not coercive, voluntary prayer led by a student without official permission or sanction by the school may be constitutional. By prohibiting students from leading prayers at football games, you are infringing on their constitutional right to exercise their religion. Allowing these prayers at a football game is not the same thing as government establishing a religion. It is simply a student expressing their beliefs, no more, no less. One of the worries people have with allowing students to lead prayers at football games is the offense it may cause to some people. But the Constitution doesn't protect people from getting offended. What it does protect is humans' right to free speech and the free exercise of religion. By prohibiting students to lead a prayer at a football game, you are violating the Constitution.